Hey everybody, it's Xana P, and this is another video about FIRMOO glasses. This is actually my second time of ordering glasses from FIRMOO. The first time was for my London trip. I have a video review about that as well, and I will put the link in the description box. So for the next order, I decided to get a different style of sunnies, of course. To order, you simply need to go to www.firmoo.com. You can order prescription glasses or sunnies. They have a variety of styles. I believe they also have discounts or promotions for first-time buyers. For my personal shopping experience, it took them 2 days to finally process my order and ship it to the Philippines, and it only took 5 days for the glasses to arrive. So their shipping and delivery system is really quick and reliable, knowing that it is international shipping and it only took 5 days for the glasses to arrive. And it came in actually a bigger packet, you know, the LBC packet, ganun. I think it had I remember it had 2 plastic packets from different couriers, and finally I got to this yellow padded secure envelope. First, you get this lightweight eyeglasses container or bag, and I actually found something inside. I believe, I actually don't know what this is. Keychain or what? A screw? Probably. Oh yeah, but we have to... Ooh! Mahulog siya, bes! Ay, mahulog. I think screwdriver siya, but... Yeah, it is a screwdriver. Oh, cool. But this is cool. Yeah. Balik ko lang muna siya. Came with a hard protective case as well, which I like. It's not so bulky. It is a slim type hard case. Yeah, and we'll open it. And I tried to put it back the same way I got it, the glasses, but it actually came like this. I have been enjoying this. If you follow me on Instagram, you would see me wear this pair of glasses very, very often. So it's like this. So you have this microfiber wipe, and then this is the pair that I got. On the website, I thought it would have a darker lens, but yeah, it's like this. I was actually quite disappointed at first because it didn't have the dark lens, so I'm not sure if I can use it as a sunny. It looked like a very basic fashion clear glasses, but when I wore it, it actually has a nice, how do you call it, anti-glare effect. Even though it looks clear, but if you see it, yeah, now I'm seeing it, it actually has a very slight tint to it, but when you wear it outside, it has an anti-glare effect. Sepia-ish, yellowish tint. So it's not so glaring if you use this outside. And sorry if I keep on cleaning it because I've used it several times and madumi na siya. Then if you wear it, it's actually very lightweight. This is a perfect way. This is just so perfect to cover my bare face and to add a little bit of fashion to my very basic everyday look. It sits well on my tiny nose, and I think it's perfect for my face size. Again, I got this in the medium bracket, so I keep looking at myself and I'm like, oh yeah, girl. Love it. And since you're still with me at this point of this video, I will give you an exclusive link for you to get your own free pair of frame and lenses. And if you are a YouTuber or a social media influencer, you can also directly contact FIRMOO Optical Store to give your own review of their products. I'll put the direct link of this exact design on the description box as well. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you get your free pair of sunglasses while the supplies last. I think they can still supply. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!